we had both been drinking. I thought we were having fun till you started getting suspicious, and you forgot what planet I was from. By the time that I was bleeding and my blood had made a massive stain on your rug, I'm sorry you were feeling that you had to kick my ass and beat my ass down. Now here I am a-smoking in the rain, in the rain. Said, officer, I wanted to be a musician, and I saw him reaching for his gun, but I knew with my intuition that the officer was only not sure what planet I was from. Felt like I had won a competition that no one else had played, so I'd automatically won as I set out on my mission. Out on the sunset, on the setting sun. And now here I am a-smoking in the rain, in the rain. I knew the Lord was listening. I knew that God had heard my song that I'd been singing, heard my petition that it would all be undone. So, officer, do you believe in Jesus? And I hadn't only said this 'cause I was drunk. I was quietly sitting with the taste of my own blood in my mouth. And now here I am a-smoking in the rain, in the rain. A-smoking in the rain.